Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to our HTML training session. Today we will talk about HTML. If you are stepping into the world of web development, then HTML is your starting point. But what actually is HTML and why it is so important? Let's first take a look at what is HTML. HTML stands for HyperText Markup Language. It's a language used to create the structure of a page, just like a skeleton support a human body. HTML provides the framework for a web page. Now, let's look at why do you need HTML. HTML is a crucial for web development because it defines the structure of a web page. Without HTML, the web browser would not know how to properly display the content. HTML is the foundation upon which all web content is built. Here on the left side, you can see the HTML structure, and on the right side, see how HTML is present on the web page. Here we have an H1 tag with content inside it, cars and motors. This is a structure that defines a heading, and on the web browser, this heading appears in a specific way. Then we have a p tag here that describes motors. The p tag is used to define a paragraph and it displays as a paragraph on the browser. Next, we have a table tag. When we need to display data in a tabular format, we use a table tag. Inside the table tag, there tr, which define a table row, and inside that th define the heading within the table. Then there another tr with td, used to define table data, and this table structure display in a regular format on the browser. Now, let's see HTML through an example by opening my code editor. Look, this is the HTML structure and it display on the web page in this way, starting with the doc type, then the HTML tag, which contain two tags, the head tag and the body tag. Inside the head tag, we have the title, which contain the page title tag, and inside the body, we have two tags, h1 and p. The h1 tag contains text for the first heading and the p tag for the first paragraph. Everything within the body in display here, like the heading from the h1 tag and the paragraph from the p tag. Now, let's see how it works. First, we have the doc type, which tell the browser that the document is written in HTML. Next is the HTML tag, which is the container for the entire web page, followed by the head tag that hold meta information about the page. The title tag set the web page title, which appear on the browser tab. Next is the body tag, which contain the visible content on the web page, like the h1 tag we saw, which create a large heading on the web page. Lastly, the p tag create a paragraph of text on the web page. HTML tag typically come in pairs, as you can see with the tag name here. This is the start tag, and here the end tag. The end tag is almost same as the start tag but has a forward slash. This entire structure helps the browser understand that a tag start here and end here, forming an element that containing content within. The element tells the web browser where the tag start, where it end, and what content is between them. Now let's go back to the web browser. I have explained HTML to you. If we want to display HTML somewhere, we would need something to render it, right? This is where web browser like Chrome and Firefox come in. This browser reads the HTML document and presents the output on the screen. For example, here you see a heading and two paragraphs displayed. Let's examine the structure. First, there's the HTML tags, then the head tag containing the title tag, where page title appears on the browser tab. Following that is the body. Inside the body, there's an h1 tag and two p tags. The h1 contains this is a heading, which is present here as this is a heading. and the paragraph containing text. This is a paragraph and this is another paragraph. Displaying as this is a paragraph and this is another paragraph. So friends, today we covered some basic about HTML. If you have more questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Keep smiling and happy coding. Thank you.